taking mad drips on the couch, ain't my house, so fuck it. So stoned, I can't see straight like a runaway truck hit. Head spinning, world blurring, everything's a haze. Lost in the moment, caught in a psychedelic maze. No worries, no fears, just a blissful hazy vibe. This ain't my problem, man, I'm just living to survive. Blurred lines and shadows, ain't nothing clear tonight. Just this hazy vision bathing neon light. On this couch, a catastrophe, a wild night unfolds. Every move a mystery, stories left untold. So high, so gone, the world just fades away. Lost in the moment, living for the day. Yeah. Wipe my ass on your couch, man, that's a funky scene. Smell hanging heavy like a forgotten latrine. Pied and fried, yeah, my vision's all distorted. Brain cells are scrambled, thoughts are all contorted. Then I pissed on your trim, a golden shower, no lie. This ain't my pad, homie, so I'm just letting it fly. No regrets, no shame, just a wild, unhinged display. Living life on the edge, come what may. On this couch, a catastrophe, a wild night unfolds. Every move a mystery, stories left untold. So high, so gone, the world just fades away. Lost in the moment, living for the day. Can't recall how I got here, or where the night began. Just a blur of faces, part of some twisted plan. But the beat keeps thumping, the bass keeps dropping low. Lost in the rhythm, letting the good times flow. On this couch, a catastrophe, a wild night unfolds. Every move a mystery, stories left untold. So high, so gone, the world just fades away. Lost in the moment, living for the day. Yeah, this couch, man, sing some things tonight. Just another chapter in this wild, crazy life. Fade to black till the next time, when the chaos starts anew. Messy and magnificent, through and through.
Yeah.